Most people think engine performance depends only on fuel or turbochargers. But in reality, something as simple as the number of camshafts can completely change how an engine breathes, revs or performs. Today, let's break down DOHC versus HOHC in real hardware terms, not theory. Inside every engine, valves control how air enters and exits the cylinder. These valves are operated by a camshaft. Now here is the key difference. SOHC means single overhead camshaft. DOHC means double overhead camshaft. One small difference in design but a big difference in behavior. In a SOHC engine, a single camshaft controls both intake and exhaust valves. That means simpler mechanical design, fewer moving parts, lower cost and easier maintenance, compact cylinder head. But there's a limitation. Since one camshaft manages everything, valve timing flexibility is restricted. At higher RPMs, airflow becomes less efficient. So SOHC engines are usually tuned for smooth performance, fuel efficiency, everyday driving reliability. Now in DOHC engines there are two camshafts, one for intake valves, one for exhaust valves. This separation changes everything. It allows more precise valve timing control, higher valve count, better airflow into and out of the cylinder, higher RPM capability. That is why DOHC engines feel more responsive and powerful when pushed hard. In real engine hardware, this difference is not small. DOHC engines requires larger and more complex cylinder heads, extra camshaft, bearings and timing components, more precise manufacturing. SOHC engines are simpler to build, lighter and cheaper. But DOHC engines wins in performance tuning, high-speed efficiency, motorsport and modern turbo engines. So in simple terms, SOHC equal to simpler, cheaper, efficient and reliable. DOHC equal to more complex, more power, better high RPM performance. Neither is bad, they are just designed for different goals. So next time you hear DOHC or SOHC in an engine specs, remember it's not just a technical label. It's a design choice that decides how an engine breathes, how it performs and how it behaves on the road.